Oh, look at this. If you read the word rightly, we'll catch this butterfly. Go ahead. Can you read this word?
That.
Ta, the first letter ta. In the middle, la. At the end, qa. Again,
I
ta, la, qa.
Ko.
Good job. Let's move to the next one. Oh, this is an easy word. Mm.
Al-Bayan.
You're welcome. Good job, man. We did it.
This is gonna take forever.
Look,
Now
catch.
yes, now you.
Now we catch the first one. Let's move to the next one. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Go
Green.
ahead. All right, green one. Can you read this word?
Na.
Yes. This in the middle, ha.
Ra.
You're welcome, man. Let's do the next one. First letter wa.
Wala. Ja.
Good job, good job, good job. Excellent, man.
Now we gotta go to the next butterfly.
Oh, look.
Now,
Oh, we got the second one. Look, let's move to the third one. Already?
yeah.
Let's do it. It's easy one.
Raba.
You're welcome.
Rada.
Barakallah feek. MashaAllah. I'm proud of you.
Now we're gonna see the next butterfly.
Oh, look, we catch the third one. Let's move to the fourth. Are you ready?
Go to forward.